don't touch me with your nasty hand. Hi, and welcome to Branscum Farm. Today we are doing some chores with rabbit poop. We gotta clean it out. You see back there? My dad is helping. He's taking some to put in his garden. We've got a lot more to go. I'll show you what we've done so far, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. So if you notice in some of the videos, we've had the blue buckets under there. We've removed all of those. Those were full of rabbit poop. And that didn't work out so great because we did not drill holes in them. So it did not work out like we expected. They got full of urine. Now we're going to try to drill them, and we're going to try it again. We're not going to let them get this full. We probably should have got shallower buckets. This is what some of the buckets look like before we got started. Now we're filling them back up and carrying them over there to the raised beds and to the back of Dad's truck. So we filled up 4 of my raised beds with the poop, and we've wet it down, and then we're going to kind of turn that over, but that's going to be some rich soil. Here's the minute behind the poop collection, my husband and my dad. But see what the bottom of that bucket looks like?
Oh, it smells good.
Oh, it stinks.
Smells like money.
But that's gonna be good for the garden, for sure. All right, so we've got under the main area of the rabbits cleaned out. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like now. All right, so we got all the buckets clean. We got all the rabbit poop cleaned up. Looks nice. We got our composter back here full of rabbit poop, and I'm pretty excited with that. My dad helped me. We're taking a rest. We let Lily out. He said that Lily's just as bad as his dog, Boo. I'm gonna go show you what the back of his truck looks like. That's where we put most of the stuff. So here's the back of his truck. Let me jump up here. We've got, I don't know if you can see that or not, I'm pretty short, but it's pretty full of rabbit poop and any hay that's gonna decompose down really good. He's gonna put it down on the farm, and we're gonna have some nice topsoil once that breaks down. It'll be rich. So I'm pretty excited to get this done. All right, so one byproduct of rabbits is their poop, and I reuse some of these feed sacks. It doesn't matter, just whatever I got laying around, and I fill them up and I sell them, and it helps supplement buying more actual feed. And so that's one way you can make a little extra money on your homestead, is selling the manure. And rabbit manure is some of the best manure for your garden. It's a cold manure, so it doesn't have to be decomposed. It doesn't have to be broke down like chicken or any of the others that are hot. So you just put it straight on your raised bed, straight on your garden, and you're ready to plant. Alright, so I use a 5-gallon bucket to get started with, and I just kind of put it over like a trash bag. Open it up like that, and then I just fill it about 2/3 full, and then I roll it over and duct tape it shut. Then once I get it about full in the bucket, I take it out and I fill it up the rest of the way, and it can hold itself up now, and it won't fall over. So it just helps. And my dad's helping me. It makes it a little faster if you got 2 people to work on it at the same time. And then my last step, I just use duct tape and I roll it over and tape it shut. that's what the final product looks like. I just kind of duct tape it shut, and good enough that it can be transported and easily opened. Well, that's about what I do when I'm bagging up this manure to sell. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you'd like to purchase some of this manure and you live here close, or you live in Arkansas, or you're going to the Shindig April 6th, I'm taking some, so let me know and I can go ahead and get the pre-orders done. All the poop cleaned up, spring cleaning, nice clean rabbitry. I'm super excited. Thank you guys for following along. This is one of the dirty jobs of raising rabbits, so if you're thinking about getting them, don't forget you've also got to maintain and clean up their poop, and they poop a lot, so that's just one thing to keep in mind. Make sure if you haven't, give me that thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming out later on. Thank you, and God bless.
Thanks for watching. Branscum's fun. Don't forget to subscribe.